Hiring freelancers is getting more expensive every year, but AI doesn't sleep, doesn't negotiate, and works 24/7. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can already replace freelancers, faster, cheaper, and at scale. And this is not the future. This is happening right now. First, AI writing tools. These tools can write blog posts, ads, emails, and video scripts in minutes. What used to take a freelance writer days now takes seconds. Businesses don't need a writer anymore. They need content that converts. For many companies, AI is already good enough and much cheaper. Second, AI design tools. Logos, thumbnails, social media posts, ads, all generated instantly. No revisions, no waiting, no back-and-forth messages. Most businesses don't need award-winning design. They need fast visuals that work, and AI delivers exactly that. Third, AI video editing tools. AI can cut videos, add captions, music, transitions, and even generate full videos automatically. Short-form video editors are especially at risk. AI can produce dozens of videos in the time a freelancer edits one. Speed matters more than perfection, and AI is winning. Fourth, AI voice and translation tools. AI voices now sound human, speak multiple languages, and never ask for revisions. One AI voice can replace voice actors, translators, and even entire localization teams. For businesses, it's simple math. Same result, lower cost. Fifth, AI research and analysis tools. AI can research competitors, summarize documents, analyze data, and prepare reports instantly. Tasks that virtual assistants and junior analysts used to handle are now automated. AI doesn't just save time, it replaces entire roles. But here's the truth. AI won't replace freelancers. Freelancers who use AI will replace freelancers who don't. The real opportunity is not fighting AI, it's mastering it. If you want to stay ahead in the AI-driven future, subscribe for more videos like this. And now I'm curious, which freelancer role do you think AI will replace next? Writers, designers, video editors, or something else? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video made you think, hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow.